Hello, my name is Sarah Mackay. I'm a professional wedding photographer and my business is called Mumford Photography.
My name is Sarah Phillips and I'm running a small gardening business which I started about 8 years ago.
When I first started my business, I was working on a kind of tiny little laptop and I couldn't really edit properly because I just didn't have the equipment. So I applied for the grant with Ysgol Fenter y Cardi, and they kindly gave me the money then to be able to buy a proper big Apple Mac, which was just amazing because it meant that I could edit my photos the way I wanted to, and it really it helped me progress with my business. When the bride and groom come and see some of the photos, it's just big and beautiful and the colours are gorgeous.
I wanted to start a business in gardening, and I looked around for if there were any schemes to help out, you know, particularly because at that time I was a single mother on benefits. And there was a scheme going on where they would do like up to £1,000 to pay for machinery, items that you needed to start your business. So I think it was run by Ysgol Fenter y Cardi, and luckily enough I was one of the ones that got it. And as I said, that funded my first mower, strimmer and chainsaw and a hedge cutter. But that first grant money, that first bursary that I had, without that it wouldn't have got off the ground. And the business is still running. So, you know, for me it was an amazing start.
I'm really pleased that I set up my own business. I'm really proud of it. When you see reviews and when you see really happy couples that are pleased with their wedding photos that you know are going to last a lifetime, it really means a lot and it's really nice.
The best bit about my job is working outside. You know, I'm not the type of person that could work in an office or in a shop or anything like that. So to be able to work outside and some of the countryside I see and the job satisfaction I've had.
As a small business, it was instrumental and so important for me to get the grant from Ysgol Fenter y Cardi. It really did make my business, or help my business start off with a bit of oomph. It saved me so much time working on a good computer, and I definitely wouldn't be where I am today without that boost of a start, for sure.
But without the help that this particular project gave, I would have never got off the ground because I had no money, like sitting there in a nest egg, no family to help fund it, and to actually buy good quality machinery to be able to run a business and to do the work that I was taking on. So yeah, you know, I couldn't have done it without them.